Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, for how to fix Roblox error code 279. Open the browser. After opening the browser, first click the three dots in the top right and then click on Settings from the very bottom. The next thing we need to do is click on Privacy and Security from the left side, then on Third-Party Cookies, then on See All Site Data and Permissions. To find Roblox from the list of sites, type Roblox into the search bar. After doing this, clear the cache files of Roblox. We will do the same for the computer. To do this, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to open Run. After opening Run, type %localappdata% and click OK. Double-click the temp folder and then delete the Roblox folder inside it. After clearing the cache files, you can check whether Roblox error code 2 problem is solved or not.